Hey guys, Joey here at Northeast Suspension and Performance. I want to talk to you guys a little bit today about our best-selling line that we do here in the shop, and that is the Toyo Open Country line. You've got three tires. You've got their AT, their RT Trail, and their Toyo MT. These are some of our best tires that we offer. We sell a ton of these things, but we want to go over a little bit about the features that each of these tires offer and why they might be right for your truck. First, let's talk about the Toyo Open Country MT. Starting off with the one that you've probably seen the most of, this is the Toyo Open Country MT. Got a super aggressive tread design, really good for long life. You're looking at probably about 60,000 miles, and that aggressive sidewall look that everybody's going for. And now rolling over here all the way down to the Toyo AT3. Again, I mean, this has been a solid tread design for years. Tighter tread pattern, still aggressive looking, but definitely going to be a lot quieter on the highway and probably get a little bit longer mileage and not near aggressive as a sidewall. So really good on like SUVs, vehicles that you don't want to be too aggressive with. And now for the tire that's really going to bring you the best of both worlds. It's the RT Trail. It's in that hybrid design, so you've got that aggressive mud terrain look, but not that aggressive mud terrain sound that we're all used to hearing. This tire is great for that in-between ride, ones that you want that look, but not the noise. And the best thing about all these tires is that we do have them in stock, even in those hard to find 37-inch sizes.